Dear guys, you are watching Cross's YouTube channel. Now, today we are talking about MS Access. It is a database program that is widely used for storing different kinds of information. First, we open MS Access program. Just you watching like this. Now, to create database program, click on blank database. Right corner you see text box, there we write the file name and click on create button. Now this time you see alert message which tells us this file is already exist. If you click yes, it means it replaced the existing file from this file. But I want to change this file name, so I click on no button and change file name and click on create button. Now DBMS create database. You can see I click on view option. It has two ways to create table structure: dataset view and design view. By default it select dataset view. Default field name is ID, so I change the field name as I want to make my table. It is admission number. Now select and change the field data type. It is number. Now press enter button to add new field and then data type. After adding all the field in this table structure, I'm save it. Now I want to give some additional property, so I select the table and right click. Design view option. Here we see field properties. In this field property pane, it is called field property pane. There you see the field size, format, decimal places, input mask, different types of additional features. So I only change the field size. I choose the double type because it stores a large number of data. After change the type, field size type. I save the file and close it.
Dear guys, please subscribe my YouTube channel for short-coming videos.
Now again open student table to insert data. In second row, I repeated admission number. Now after all the data insert, I want to create a new row or insert a new data. It has alert message. Why? Because I have repeated some value. It's a duplicate value. When I create the table structure where I define the primary key in admission number, that can't insert duplicate value. So I change here the value of admission number. Now insert the all details and press enter to insert new row. Now it accepts our data. So you can see this way I create the table, student table, using datasheet view option. There's two options, data sheet view option and data design view. In this program you learn how to create table using datasheet view. Next video I create table using design view. So subscribe my channel and watch next video. Thank you.